Everybody, David Likens here. Going to do a quick video on the newly designed 2019 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser. Going to give you some specs on this boat here and then show you some of the standard features that they come with. But this is a new color for this year, two-tone combination. It's called Champagne and Burgundy. This is a floor plan number 1 with the standard steering console, which I'll show you here in just a minute. But in general, the overall length of the boat itself is 15 foot 2 inches long. And then the deck size, which is where all the railing, seating, and walking area at, is 13 feet long from front to rear and exactly 7 foot wide. This boat has the ability to sit up to 6 people. Does have a standard 20 horsepower limit motor, 2 standard pontoons, rail height of 23 inches. And then this is the optional powder coated trailer that you can get with it. And now they do have an optional radial tire, which we've put on all of ours. And you can get this trailer as a galvanized trailer, and the trailers are not standard. A couple other standard options, I'm just going to do an outside walk around here for you, are the navigational lights here on the front, both sides, and the mooring light up top. The Bimini top, as you see here, in the boot are standard features also. You get 2 cup holders here up behind those front seats, as you can see. This is the woven vinyl floor, very nice stuff. You do have the gap rail between the rail height and the deck there, allows water to drain out in the event you get some water in there. I'll go around the side here, really cool retro design they've added. On the floor plan 1, you do get a standard stainless steel 3-step ladder, rear access gate, as you can see there. The transom mount, that's the steering cable. This is the protected mount and motor for the live well, which comes standard in the boat, which I'll show you here in just a few moments. As we go around, like I said, the design that they've done on this is outstanding, I think. So as you go into the boat, we have a new latch system here, which is awesome. You just flip that up, open it up there. And on the floor plan 1, what you get now, as you did last year, is there's your fishing rod holders. You get these 2 really nice plush corner seats in the front, starboard and port side. They flip up here, give you some storage space there. And again, to show you that you have your cup holders on both sides. And again, this flips up. Do have a storage box here on this model with a dry bottom, standard Bimini or mooring cover, custom fit to each one of these boats with 3 rods that go up in the center. This is an option too, rail mount hinge pin, and what that allows to do is it allows the Bimini top at the riding mode on the lake to lay down flat. So you would remove that pin from here and move it forward to make it go completely flat. This is your live well on the port side here. Adjustable volume here of water. Drain spout, pull that straight out, goes right out of the bottom of the boat. This is your rear access gate. Makes it really convenient to get in and out of the water if needed. Really large back helm area seats for you or a partner or a grandkid or anybody that want to have sit next to you. A lot of space here, so you have room to put a standard 24 series battery, a couple 27 series batteries, fuel cell, all under the back seat out of the way. At the helm area, you do get your cup holder, corkboard design. And then on your switches is a navigational light switch and your live well switch. Now this is pretty much bare bones, no motor or anything, but I just wanted to give you a quick walk around and look at the new design and layout of the boat. Each boat we make for our customers is custom made specifically for you, meaning you get to choose your motor, additional live or fish finder, lights, radios, charging systems, anything you want. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. We'll have all the information and specs on the Paddle King boats below. If you like the video, please give us a like or follow us. And if you'd like to have a custom boat made for you, we do deliver nationwide. We'll definitely build one specifically for you and deliver it to your front door or to your lake house. And again, my name's David. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, make comments in the comment box, or shoot us an email, and we'll do everything we can to take good care of you. Thanks for watching.